Now, Chakrasan is an advanced flexible asana. Since this is a beginner's tutorial, I would recommend you to practice Chakrasan in presence of any other person. It may be your friend, it may be your family. Since it's a beginner's Chakrasan tutorial, so I would recommend you to practice Chakrasan in presence of any other friend or family member, as it has a lot of risk, and if not done properly, it may cause injury in your spine that would affect you for your whole lifetime. It can have a lot of types of injuries. If there is a less strength in your palms can be injured, your elbows can be injured if you fall directly on your elbows. There are a lot of injuries, so I would recommend you to practice this in presence of any other member. Still, if you have any other doubts, comment down below or reach to me via social media, and I can share the points, or I can make you do Chakrasan on a video call also. So just try, give it a try. What all asanas I have told you to practice now, practice all of them, and after that give a try to the Chakrasan and take my help. I am ready to help each and every one of you. So let's do Chakrasan now. Now, for beginners, I would suggest to practice Chakrasan from downwards first. What you have to do, go to Matsya Asana that I told you to go in. Do the Matsya Asana. Yeah. Now, place your palms beside your head and push your bodies upwards along with the head. If you aren't able to push your body upward, push your head upward, place it downwards, there is no problem. That was Chakrasan and he's doing. He did it in 1 week, I guess. So you might do it in, I guess, 4 days, 3 days, like so. Guys, this is a yoga belt and you can get it from any online store or any other sports store. If you are still confused that from where to take it, you can contact me anytime. So for beginners, what we do is, we put a yoga belt on there. I have put a yoga belt on him. He is a beginner, he don't know how to do Chakrasan, so I will help him. Come forward. Yeah. Now go backward, slowly. Wait a second. Yeah. Try to go as down as you can. Yes. It was easy?
Yes.
Now come back. Yes. So guys, this was how you can practice Chakrasan in presence of a yoga trainer, as you can't do it on yourself. But there are other ways that you can practice Chakrasan at home without any help of yoga trainer or any evidence. I'll show you how. There is another way of practicing Chakrasan through wall. What you have to do is place both of your hands on wall, then take your feet as much forward as you can and your arms as much downward as you can. As you are a beginner, I would suggest you not to go more downward than I am right now, as it can injure you. After you practice these asanas and Chakrasan for 10 to 15 days, after that you can try to go downward also. We have another way of doing Chakrasana, but that is to again advance. But still, I would like to tell you. Another way of practicing Chakrasana is through a bamboo stick. Bamboo stick might be available, I guess, online also. It is also yoga equipment and it is available online also. So how we practice Chakrasana? Through bamboo stick. It's the same procedure as we saw in on wall. Just it's important to make a grip of your bamboo stick so that it doesn't fall. Now what you have to do is go forward slowly and take your palms downwards slowly. Try to stretch your body downwards as much as possible. Take your palms downward. Practice it slowly and it would work 100%. Now I'll show you what actual wheel looks like. This is the actual wheel, guys. Guys, this was the tutorial for Chakrasana for beginners. Practice it, post it on the International Yoga Day, show off some your yogic skills. Tag me if you learned it from my channel, from my video. Use hashtag Akshita Bangar, AKSHITABANGAR. And if you want to learn any other asana that you saw on my social media, comment down below or reach me through any social media. I'll make sure that I'll post that video for you. Share this channel as much as possible and make your family fit. Your parents would love and feel refreshing after you send this video and they practice Chakrasana or these asanas of flexibility. Make them happy on this International Yoga Day. Thank you.